Why do people use Coinmama? What makes it different from other crypto platforms? And what advantages does it offer users? Let's break it down. One of the main advantages is simplicity. Coinmama is designed to be easy to use, especially for beginners. The process of buying crypto is straightforward and clear. Coinmama allows direct purchases. Users can buy crypto without complex trading interfaces. This makes the experience faster and more accessible. Coinmama is available in many countries. This allows users from different regions to access crypto services. However, availability may still depend on local regulations. Coinmama does not hold your crypto for you. Instead, you send your purchased crypto directly to your own wallet. This gives users more control over their assets. It also reduces the risk of exchange hacks. You are fully responsible for your wallet security. Make sure to back up your private keys safely and keep them secure at all times. Security is an important part of the platform. Account verification and processes are in place to protect users. This helps reduce risks when using the service. It also adds an extra layer of account protection. Users can feel more confident when making transactions. This builds trust in the platform. Transactions are designed to be fast. Once verified, users can complete purchase with it unnecessary delays. This makes the platform practical for regular use. Once processed, funds are sent quickly to your personal wallet. Each platform has different features. Coinmama focuses on simplicity, accessibility, and user control. This makes it suitable for certain types of users. It is especially helpful for beginners in crypto. Users can easily navigate and complete transactions. This creates a simple experience for users. Understanding the advantages helps you decide if it fits your needs. It's about how you use the platform and what you prioritize. Different users have different goals and expectations. Some value speed, while others value simplicity more. Choosing the right approach depends on your experience level. Every platform offers different benefits. Choosing the right one depends on your goals. Some are better for beginners, while others are more advanced. It's important to compare features before making a decision. Your priorities will determine the best fit for you. Seeing how they work helps you pick what suits you best. The right choice can improve your overall experience.